Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and I want to tell you what I like about these 12-inch saw blades from DEWALT. It was very convenient to have a 40-tooth general purpose blade bundled with a 60-tooth finish blade. The sharp carbide teeth should have no problems giving me a nice, crisp, clean cut. It's recommended for soft woods like pine, so this will cover the majority of the materials I most often work with. While I'll keep the general purpose blade on most times, when I'm doing some finish work, it's nice to be able to have an even more accurate blade. I recently installed laminate flooring throughout our house, and the store brand saw blade that I had on my miter saw really got wrecked. So I was looking for a better saw blade that's going to give me a lot longer of a lifetime, and I think these DEWALT blades will do just that. Whether it was cutting thick plywood, 2x4s, or even thin material, the blade cut through it cleanly and efficiently. So if you're looking for a set of 12-inch saw blades for general purpose and finish cut applications, I think this bundle from DEWALT will give you nice clean cuts and give you a good life of the blade. And that's my point of view.